Good day, everyone. So we have our topic for today. So this is Dhokie tutorial. And we have a grade 7, quarter 2, module 4. So our topic for today is all about algebraic expression. So in algebraic expression, we need to translate word 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 phrases to expressions. First, we do to try in translating word phrases, we translate word phrases to expressions. Of course, into with translating the words sentence to equations, and then translate the sentence to equation using a keywords, then solve. Okay, so are you ready, students? So please beware. Okay, first we translate phrases through addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In addition, the keyword has sum, plus, more than, added to, increased by. Minus, subtracted from, difference of least than, decreased by, least. Order is important. The important is must be ordered. Subtracted from and less than from. Okay. Product twice times multiplied by of. Divide by quotient ratio divided into. That is our division. So order is important. So we divide into that we remember to divide into. After that, we translating the phrases. In addition, so we have x plus 3, the variable expression. So as we see, sum of our word phrases, which is the sum number plus 3, this is our result. Our result is x plus 3. If we do see sum number plus 3, remember this. And 3 added to sum number. The sum of the number and 3. 3 more than sum number. Sum number increased by 3. Another one, how about subtraction? Y minus 6. So we have our word phrases through this y minus 6 in our variable expressions. So we have some number minus 6. 6 subtracted from some number. The difference of some number and 6. 6 less than some number. And the sum number decreased by 6. Some number least 6. So this is the answer of those word phrases for our variable expression. In 6 subtracted from some number, then 6 less than some number, so it is the same. So as we see that the 6 is before and after by y. So as we see this sentence, we have the 6. So it is we remember I say while ago that we must know order is important. So remember these highlights. Okay. Another one, multiplication, the exponent and the roots. So we have 2a c squared k cubed and square root of x. So we have this one, twice a number, 2 times some number, the product of two some numbers multiplied by 2, then c required, and then the square of c to the second power. K cube, k to the third power, the q of k, and the square of x. Another one, in our divisions, we have this one, the variable expression. So x over, sabi ng iba, over x over 5. So some number divided by 5 and the quotient of the sum number and 5. The ratio of some number and 5. Then 5 divided into some number. So we remember this, 5 divided into some number. So we go for our translating process. So you remember the key words sum, difference, product, and quotient? Of course. I know you remember. Indicate the answer of the respective operation. So just go back when you show this video. You can uh, review or replay so that you can get this translating phrases. Of course, sum of x and 3. What is our answer? So we have sum of x, so x plus 3. How about this? Difference of x and 3. Of course, difference. So we have our operation is difference, so x minus 3. The product of x and 3, of course, x times 3 or 3x. As we observe that we need to first the number before the variable, or we need to arrange. But this we say that even this one, we can say that this is a commutative property already. Okay, go quotient of x and 3. So of course, x divided by 3, or this one. Okay, the product of the number and 4. So use x for the variable not be specified. The product. Okay, product of 4 is 4 and a number, so 4x. The sum of b cubed and 7. Of course, we have b cubed. Sum of b cubed plus 7. 7 added to the quotient of x and y. So we have our highlights, the added 2. So we need to quotient of x and y. So we need x divided by y. So we have added 7. So we have this one, x over y, and then 7 plus y. A number subtracted from 8. A number subtracted from 8. We have this highlight. So we highlighted this one. And 8 minus x. 9 divided into a number. We have divided into a number. We have the result x divided by a number. Okay, as you remember, our before that I discussed already. So consider 5 more than 2 times a number. We have, okay, more than 2 times. Okay, more than 2 times, yes, 5 plus 2x, or 2x plus 5. 7 times a number of A and B. So times and sum is our key words. Of course, the times, we use the times operations. So we have A plus B times 7. Open parenthesis, I think that's open parenthesis. So 7 times A plus B. The product of 5 and a number of minus the sum of a number and 2. Product of 5 and a number of minus the sum. So we have a number 2. Of course, the minus is our operation. And the key is product and sum. So we have 5x, of course, then sum of 2 number and 2. So we have 5x minus x plus 2. So we have, of course, it's not, but the correct is this one. 5x minus, open parenthesis, x plus 2. The sum of a and b divided by difference of a and b. We have keyword the divided by. So, a plus b divided by a minus b. So, we have a plus b over a minus b. So, we go for our, uh, um, we need to answer this one. Translate the process into algebraic expression. First, 12 less than 3 times a number. First, ito is 3x plus 12 and 3n minus 12. The difference of a number decreased by the sum of w and z. What is our answer? Of course, our answer is A. Translating the word sentence into an equals. So we have equals sign and is. Remember this word phrases is equal to, is the same as, produces, yields, results in. So 15 more than a number is negative 7. Our equals is. Yes. Of course, more than and 15 plus x is negative 7. So that is our answer. So we solve, solve negative 15 by adding and subtracting rule. So we have x minus 12, x equals negative 12 because negative 7 and negative 15, if we add, the answer is all the integers must be negative. Okay, next. 13 more than the product of 4 and a number yields 9. Of course, yes, more than in the product 4x 13 plus 4x. Okay, 13 plus 4x equals 9, then 13 minus 13. Okay, the answer is x equals negative 1. 3 times the difference of a number and 5 is equal to 7 times the number minus 12. So is equal, that is our equal sign, of course, times x. Okay, 3x. Okay, next, in the other side, we have 7 times a number. So we have times a number minus 12. So 7x and minus 12. So we have our equation, 3 quantity x minus 5 quantity equals 7x minus 12. And then we distribute the 3 inside. So 3x minus 15 equals 7x minus 12. Then we have similar terms, so we need to minus this one. Then we have 4x minus 15 minus 12. Then 15 we add 10 by both sides. Then the answer is negative 4x equals 3. Then we divide the negative 4 both sides. Then the answer is x negative 3 4. Translate 32 less than 3 times a number is 15. So, what is our answer? Yes, letter B. Translate the quotient of 4 less than a number and 5 times same a number, divide by 8. What is our answer? Yes, letter. Thank you. That's all for this. Thank you. That's all for this day. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like and you understand everything. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below what we need. So God bless everyone. Thank you.